For your math assignment today, you are going to click on this link that says today's assignment. When you click on it, it opens up this website called Live Worksheets. If you've already done your reading assignment, then you've been on this before, and if you have not, then you will see it for reading in just a few minutes. But this website allows you to complete the work online and then submit it to me. I'm so sorry. And then submit it to me with my email address. So, you are going to practice mean, mode, median, and range today. We have been working on this in class. If you forget how to do it, click on this video, and Math with Mr. J will show you what to do. So, the mean is when you remember that you put all of your data sets in order from least to greatest. Mean is when you add them all up, and then you divide by the number in your data set. So, you would add 2, 5, 5, 6, and 9. 6 plus 9 is 15, plus 5 is 20, plus 5 is 25, plus 2 is 27, and you are going to do 27 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 27 divided by 5, type your answer in right there. Mode means the number that occurs the most times in the data set. So in this case, it would be 5 because there are 2 5s. So you'll type 5 right there. Range is the subtraction problem. The smallest number subtracted from the biggest number. So 9 minus 2 is 7. And the median is the middle number. If you get to a data set that has 2, like this one, remember you put everything in order. You cross out until you have 2 left. And then you're going to add those two numbers and divide by 2. So you're going to accomplish mean, mode, median, and range for these 6 data sets. Then you'll scroll down and you'll see the finish button. On the finish, or when you click on the finish button, you have 2 options. I want you to do email my answers to my teacher, enter your full name. So whatever your name is, put it in there. Your grade level, 5, your subject, math, and then my email address right here. I will also have my email address posted on the web page, so you can copy that if you want to, or you can go back and forth and type my email address. It's courtney.miles@muncieschools.org, and then send that to me. And then also, I am going to have some games in here. Right now I have 1. I will make sure that I have some more in there. Mean, median, mode, range games that you can play. I'm going to put in some order of operations, some fraction games, so you can play some of the games in there if you want to as well. But that's what you're going to be doing for math today. Have a great day.